Hi there and welcome to a new video. And indeed, yes, we have the first release candidate of Redot. This is actually something super interesting due to the fact that actually I was going to record Redot 4.3 beta 3, but well, I entered GitHub and well, I encountered this. So well, indeed, we have here the first release candidate of Redot. This release candidate should also have the new stuff of beta 3, beta 2, etc. So we will quickly go through the new stuff here if there is anything that is like worth mentioning. If they are like for super specific things or something like that, I will just allow you to pause the video and read because well, we don't have like that much time to actually read everything. But well, if you just want to download this version, I will leave a link to this page over here in the description, and you will go here to the assets, and here you will find your corresponding version. Okay, so by the way, you also have the templates, okay, over here, template releases also for the mono version and the standard version. Or well, actually here you have the export templates, I'm sorry, and these are the export templates for the mono version. So for the specific release candidate one, there aren't like many things. If we actually go inside of this pre-release, we only see that we have only 10 comments, so we don't have that much stuff here. We can actually take a look at the full changelog over here if you really want to, but as you can see, we don't really have that much things. So well, they basically here fixed a bug over there. And if we take a look at, for example, beta 3, we got here some stuff new that I will allow you there to pause the video and read if you really want to. As you can see, there are even some improvements to the C# language. We also have an update in the FBX importer, okay? Then in beta 2, what we had is like more rebranding, even the replacements of the Godot in some maybe more hidden places in the engine with the Redot word, some user interface improvements that are basically these ones. And also, well, here is where they explain how to install the templates. So we'll just go here to release candidate 1 and I will look for Windows 64 and I will download this version over there. So I will open up this zip file, okay, and I will open up the actual engine and let's give it a second. So here we have it, okay. And now, well, the first thing that I don't think if it is correct is 4.4 alpha 1, so they actually, okay. Yes, I think that this is a bug in the engine anyway. So let me quickly go here and add a brand new, this was a little bit laggy, or no, I think that the first time it was a little bit laggy, but well, it could have been my PC, I don't know. So this is 4.3 release candidate 1. By the way, I sometimes mention like things that maybe I like to be different, or a bug that I spot as this one. If any kind of developer want to fix this, as this is open source, you're free to do that. And well, I will put this inside of my downloads, and there we have it. I will click create and edit, and let's just give it a second. There we have also the icon of Redot when the project was being loaded. I still don't like the theme. I think that this red is a little bit too bright. I think that they have changed it still a little bit maybe here, but this red on the top, like, it's so bright. I believe you can also change this stuff if you don't like it in edits or settings, and here in theme you can change the accent color to make it anything that you want, so you can make this a little bit darker if you really want it. And let's give it a second. And right now, so you can see now it is much better. It could of course be adjusted even more, but anyway, I think that some of the UI changes are here because here the containers are a little bit closer to each other, or it's my imagination. Yes, these things are definitely a little bit closer. I will actually open up here Godot. Let's actually compare this stuff. So we'll create here a new project, and let's see this. So yes, I believe that here this window, no, they are the exact same one. I was just imagining that. Yes, because as they say that there were some UI improvements, I thought that they made the containers a little bit closer to each other, basically the elements of the container a little bit closer to each other. But yes, once again, if we compare like these windows over here, they are quite similar. They are super similar. In Redot, what we do have here is the horizon color. So like we could change there the horizon, and this is an option that doesn't exist inside of Coded. We have only sky and ground. So well, this is what we currently have. Of course, we have the Redot icon over here instead of the Godot icon. That was something that wasn't added in this Redis candidate. Actually, it was added in previous ones. So we'll go ahead and just create a brand new 2D sim. I'm going to call it main, and I will save it. I just want to do some quick testing over here. I will create an empty script. Okay, let me zoom in a little bit. Okay, and for example, I will add here my ready function. That now, yes, these things come with static typing by default. You can disable this, but well, you can like it, you may not like it anyway. And I will just go ahead and print something like hello there. Okay, and there we are going to see that this message is going to be printed right over there. If these things wants to run, there we got it. Okay, so yes, indeed, right now I don't think that there are many changes like for the general user. Of course, we have already saw like all the changes that there were. Okay, all the bug fixes, all the new stuff. So I am not saying that there aren't anything new. I just don't think that they are general things for the general user. Maybe they are for more specific usages that are maybe more difficult to showcase, and so they are a lot. So we can't go one over one in just one video because it will take like hours. So well, what do you think? Let me know in the comments down below, and subscribe for more content because I am always trying to upload the latest content about Redot, Godot, etc. So I will see you in the next one. Bye bye. Make sure that you subscribe.